Now, I want to turn to the other side because before the pandemic hit, you were making a name for yourself writing about the dangers of the loneliness pandemic, the mental health issues that were affecting all of these people in the United States and around the world because they weren't connected socially, because we were bowling alone, as Bob Putnam used to say in my field. I mean, now it's much worse, right? What do we do about this?
Well, this I never imagined, when I wrote the book on loneliness, that this would be where we would be. Because even before COVID-19, we were actually struggling with extremely high levels of loneliness and disconnection in society, not just in the US, but in countries around the world. We have more people who admit to struggling with loneliness in America than have diabetes or who smoke. But the challenge, the real concern here also is that it's not just a bad feeling, but we know that loneliness has health consequences. That people who struggle with loneliness are at increased risk for premature death, for heart disease, dementia, depression, anxiety, sleep disturbances, and the list goes on. So, my worry with COVID 19 is that the physical separation that we've been asked to endure, the stress that so many people are under without the ability to get together with their close friends, that will take a toll on us mentally and psychologically. And in fact, for some people, and for many people, if we don't do something differently, that physical distancing will convert into social distancing and a deeper loneliness that would essentially create, as I think of it, a social recession. And that I think could be just as consequential as the economic headwinds we may be facing. But I don't think that we're destined to go in that direction. I actually think we can choose a second path, which is not the path of social recession, but the path of social revival. If we can use COVID 19 as our opportunity to step back and take stock of our lives, to double down, in fact, on our commitment to the relationships in our lives, to double down on our commitment to people, then, in fact, I think we may be able to come out of this stronger than we were before. And we can do that in simple ways. We can, for example, make it a point to keep 15 minutes each day when we're actually connecting with people we care about. We can make it a point to seek out others with opportunities to serve and help them, recognizing everybody is suffering in this moment of upheaval, but also that service is one of the most powerful ways that we can help address loneliness. It's an antidote, if you will, to loneliness.